Hello, hello, good evening. Uncle Mangit is back. Uncle Manik is back. Hello. Gusto ko lang kayong kumustahin mga kapatid. I just want to ask if you're okay today. Okay? Napiya kayo sa mga alkaw. Naimbagal daw kada kayo amin. Kumusta kayo dita, ha? Maya, tuwan. Today, ayan, nalipat ako. Hindi. This is the day that the Lord has come, We will rejoice and be glad in it, Oh, diba mayak? Nagmayak na. Danggan niya ta boses ng kayo mangit, ha? One. Sapay kumatamayat daw yung ha? Kakabsat, ha? Hope that you're always doing good, guys, ha? For those who cannot understand Ilocano, next time I will make a subtitle, okay? Sa susunod, gagawan ko po ng subtitle, guys. I know hindi lahat ng viewers ko ay Ilocano, so I will try to make a subtitle. So this is for today, and bye-bye! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell button, and to get updated. Thank you! Bye-bye!